Hi there. Finding formula cells in a large Excel sheet can be a headache. Let's learn quick methods to highlight all formula cells at once. Press Ctrl plus the accent key to display all the formulas in the worksheet. Press the same keys again to hide the formulas. Go to the Formula tab. In the Formula Auditing group, select Show Formula. On the Home tab, go to the Editing group. Expand Find and select and choose Go to Special. Select Formulas. Click OK. All the cells with formulas are now highlighted. You can apply a fill color to identify the formula cells. From the Home tab, open the Find and Replace tool. In the Find What field, type the equals sign. Click Options. Ensure that Formulas is selected in the Look In field. Click Find All. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the entries, then click Close. Select the range. Go to the Home tab. In the Styles group, expand Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule. Under Select a Rule Type, click Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Type the displayed formula inside the Format Values field. Click the Format button. On the Fill tab, choose a highlight color. Click OK. Again, click OK to apply the formatting rule. All the cells with formulas are now highlighted with a custom color. This approach to highlight cells with formulas is dynamic.